Look, I'm just gonna say it. I cannot keep living like this. I'm so tired of the breaker tripping every single time air conditioner kicks on. I'm done. Absolutely done. I'm sweating like a rotisserie chicken. My neighbors are chilling at 68 degrees. And I'm over here running a tactical fan rotation just to survive. So here's what's actually going on. When your AC compressor kicks on, it draws a huge surge of power. This is called inrush current. And your breaker, it just isn't built to handle that spike. So instead of cooling your RV, it's over here tripping breakers, dimming lights, and making you wonder why you just didn't buy a tent. But once you add a soft start, all the chaos goes quiet. The compressor eases in, your lights stay bright, and you finally get to enjoy some actual cold air instead of campground cardio. That's how you keep cool, literally. I'm Haas from BarkSide of the Road. Keep your rig cool, keep your patience glowing, and don't forget your socks and Crocs. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. If this video saved your breaker from early retirement, then hit that like button. And if you want more fixes, more dogs, and fewer electrical meltdowns, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next BarkSide adventure.